This is from Orin and Aunt Jenny.
For you. This is for Will, for you. Oh.
What is it, Pep?
Who is that? Who is that, Will? Frankie.
Wow. Neat. Finally a cranky.
What do you say to Orin, Will?
I'm liking that.
Oh, this one's heavy.
Mom, what's in there?
This one is heavy. Here.
Look, Dad, what's in here, Dad?
I don't know. Let's find out.
You have to help me open it up, though.
You want me to pull a string and you'll pull a string?
Here, I can help you pull this string. There. Now you can pull that up and...
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
And this, oh, look, that lightning's on top.
Wow.